everyone, welcome back. In my earlier video of drama part 1, I talked about definition of drama and story, difference between drama and story, elements of drama and the importance of drama in our life. And my present lecture will comprise general introduction of William Shakespeare, the name of his major plays, introduction of the characters of The Merchant of Venice, plot outline of the play The Merchant of Venice, and the theme of the play The Merchant of Venice. So let us talk about a general introduction of the play and the dramatist. The Merchant of Venice is a romantic comedy of William Shakespeare. He is an immortal poet and dramatist of English literature and language. He wrote 154 sonnets and 38 plays, which are full of practical wisdom and knowledge. His major plays are The Comedy of Errors, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, Richard III, Romeo and Juliet, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, Twelfth Night, Richard II, Henry IV, Henry V, Henry VIII, All Is Well That Ends Well, Measures for Measure, Philus and Cressida, The Merchant of Venice, Julius Caesar, Antony and Cleopatra, Hamlet, The Tempest, The King Lear, Othello, Macbeth, The Winter's Tale, Pericles, Cymbeline, Taming the Shrew, Merry Wives of Windsor, etc. Now let us talk about the plays of the drama The Merchant of Venice. For our convenience, we can divide the characters of the play The Merchant of Venice into two groups, the major and the minor. Antonio is a rich merchant of Venice and the key character of the play. Bassanio is the fast friend of Antonio and suitor of Portia. Shylock is a cruel moneylender of Venice. Portia is a rich and beautiful lady of Belmont. The Prince of Aragon, the Prince of Morocco, and the Duke of Venice are the main characters, and there are certain minor characters. Salanio, Salarino, Gratiano, Lorenzo. These four are friends of Antonio and Bassanio. There are two other female characters, female minor characters. These are Nerissa, the assistant of Portia, Jessica, a young daughter of Shylock. There are three female characters in the play. Portia, that is one of the major characters, main characters, and Nerissa and Jessica are two minor characters. The whole play is divided into 5 acts and 20 scenes. The act scene is the longest scene and act fifth is the shortest act. The first act is divided into 3 scenes. The second act is divided into 9 scenes. The third act is divided into 5 scenes. The fourth act divided into 2 scenes, and the fifth act has only 1 scene. Now let us talk about the theme and plot of the play The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice is one of the finest plays of William Shakespeare. It tells us the story of Antonio, a merchant who lives in Venice. He borrows money from Shylock in order to help his friend Bassanio, who is going Belmont to win the hand of Portia. Antonio is the key character of this play, as it is entitled after his name, The Merchant of Venice. His generosity, friendship, loyalty, commitment, and the principles of his life are highlighted and emphasized in this play. There are 4 important subplots in the play. These are the bond scene, the casket scene, the trial scene, and the ring episode. The trial scene is one of the most important scenes of the play, The Merchant of Venice. The another important scene is the casket scene. The main plot of this drama is interwoven among Antonio, Bassanio, Shylock, and Portia. As we know, in drama there are 5 points in the plot. Let me tell you one thing, that the shape of plot of the drama has 5 points: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, एंड द रिजल्ट. ड्रामा के प्लॉट का जो शेप होता है वो पिरामिड शेप में होता है, या ट्रायंगुलर शेप में भी हम कह सकते हैं. पहले इसमें एक्सपोजिशन होता है जिसमें इंट्रोडक्शन मिलेगा. इसके बाद इसमें राइजिंग एक्शन के बाद में एक पॉइंट जहाँ पे आएगा वहाँ पे क्लाइमैक्स होगा. क्लाइमैक्स के बाद लास्ट में फॉलिंग एक्शन, और इसके बाद रिजल्ट निकलेगा. जिस तरह से हम इसमें देखेंगे द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में हमारा एक्सपोजिशन है पहले स्टार्ट में एक्ट 1 सीन 1 में एक्सपोजिशन. इसके बाद हमारा बॉन्ड सीन है, ये राइजिंग एक्शन है, और ये क्लाइमैक्स पे पहुंचता है ट्रायल सीन में, और ट्रायल सीन के बाद ये फाइलिंग एक्शन, और लास्ट में आपका रिजल्ट निकलता है. इस तरह से इसमें पूरा ये बनाया गया. यानी ये एक ड्रामा के एक प्लॉट के लिए बताया गया प्रॉपर बिगिनिंग, मिडिल और एंड. ये पूरी तरह से इस प्ले में मिलता है. और हम इसके मेन प्लॉट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो फिर से हम उसी पे चलते हैं. द मेन प्लॉट ऑफ दिस ड्रामा इज इंटरवोवन अमंग एंटोनियो, बेसेनियो, Shylock and Portia. Bassanio seeks help from Antonio in order to take money. Antonio's generosity makes him borrow money on interest from Shylock, who is very cunning moneylender, for the sake of his friend Bassanio, who wants to go Belmont to win the hand of Portia. And it is also shows how Shylock exploits the situation to seek revenge from Antonio, as they both have racial and commercial hatred to each other. इस लेक्चर में जो मैंने डिस्कस किया था उससे रिलेटेड फिर से मैं एक बार आपको रिवाइज कर दूं. इसमें जो हमारे पॉइंट्स बनेंगे, मैंने इसमें बात की है विलियम शेक्सपियर एज ए ड्रामेटिस्ट with special reference to his play The Merchant of Venice. The name of his major plays, a short note on the theme of the play The Merchant of Venice, and the plot of the play The Merchant of